Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete all comments on Reddit. First of all, go to Chrome webstore.google.com and here type bulk delete Reddit and it will pop up, and click on bulk delete Reddit posts and comments history. Click on add to Chrome and then add extension. Here, as you can see, when the extension is added, it will automatically open a site where you can bulk delete posts and comments, or you can go to Reddit and then to your extensions right here and click on bulk delete Reddit posts and comments. Click on delete 50 comments and this will take you to old Reddit, and click on yes, delete 50 comments. And as you can see, the comments are deleting. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.